I've made my traditional hopping john and greens with rice and cornbread for New Year's Day, and decided with January being National Soup Month to use the leftover turkey from Thanksgiving to make turkey tortilla soup. This really is an easy recipe to make, and with all of the richness, the rich foods of the holiday season, it is nice to start the year off with something as simple as this. I don't necessarily set New Year's resolutions, but as I was making this soup, I thought that it is so important that I continue on the path of a simple, graceful life. Oven baked tortilla chips, and within 40 minutes or so, the soup is ready. I'll leave you with two questions. What is your favorite soup to cook in January? And what are your expectations for the new year?
Yum.
Thank you so much for watching. Happy New Year. Until next time, I'll see you soon.